Dear students, in this scenario, mainly I discuss strong reducing agents, metal hydride, metal hydride reduction. So, generally, these reagents are used in carbonyl compounds, aldehydes, ketones. So, lithium, aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride. These reducing agents are produced H minus. H minus is nothing but hydride ion. So, when compared to lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent. So, it is a versatile reducing agent. It reduces carbon to oxygen, carbon to oxygen, and I mean carbon to oxygen, carbon to nitrogen, carbon to, so non-polar are nothing but and polar groups, whatever the polar double bond groups, it reduces mainly lithium aluminum hydride. So take one example here, ketone was taken. So lithium aluminum hydride first reagent, after that hydrolysis. So keto group here, so here keto group is converted to secondary alcohol. So what is the mechanism for that? So lithium aluminum hydride, first it converted to lithium is the metal, that's why it loses electrons, lithium plus. So aluminum hydride around 4 hydrogens. So actually here aluminum have negative charge. So plus is attacked negative charge. Then only here one hydrogen is removed. Then only what will be the product? LiAlH3 plus H minus. H minus is the hydride. So now we should take a compound ketone. So carbon, oxygen is a more electronegative. So that's why carbon has positive charge, at the same time oxygen has a negative charge. So after that lithium aluminum hydride lithium aluminum hydride produces H minus. That H minus attacked positive. So then only here hydrogen is added. At the same time, and secondary agent water can be converted into H plus and OH minus. So H plus is attacked O minus. Then only